I'm Jen with Semper Custom Remodeling. One of the most common and honestly most stressful things we hear from homeowners is this: why did the final cost come in higher than the estimate? And the truth is, most remodel surprises don't come from dishonest contractors. They come from misunderstandings about what an estimate actually is. Here's the first big misunderstanding. People think an estimate is a locked-in number. In remodeling, an estimate is a starting point based on the information available at the time. But until we open walls, confirm conditions, finalize selections, and coordinate trades, some details are still unknown. In older homes especially, they don't always reveal everything up front. The second thing people underestimate is how much selections matter. Tile, plumbing fixtures, cabinetry, lighting, and hardware. Each choice may feel minor on its own, but together they can move a budget significantly. That isn't because prices are hidden, it's because selections can be emotional, personal, and often upgraded as clients see real options for the first time. Here's an important distinction we talk about a lot. Unknowns are not surprises unless no one prepares you for them. Things like framing repairs, water damage, outdated wiring, those are common realities in remodeling. The problem isn't that they exist. The problem is when no one talks about them early. So here's how we prevent surprises. First, we talk about this before construction starts. We can explain where estimates can shift and why. Second, we use detailed scopes, allowances, and real-world ranges, not best-case numbers designed to win a bid. Third, we over-communicate. You don't find out about a cost change at the end. You're involved when decisions are being made. Our goal isn't to promise the lowest number, it's to give you the most honest picture possible so you can make confident decisions. A remodel should feel informed, not stressful. Clear expectations remove fear. Communication removes surprises. If you're planning a remodeling project and want to understand where estimates shift before work begins, that's a conversation worth having early. Because the best remodel experiences don't come from perfect houses, they come from clear expectations and a team that tells you the truth.